we'll guide you through how to upload a video on Google Drive using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. You'll need to log into your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main Google Drive page, look towards the top left corner and you'll see a button labeled NEW with a plus sign. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select File Upload. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Find the video file that you want to upload, click on it to select it, and then click Open. Your video will start uploading to Google Drive. You can track the upload progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the upload is complete, your video will appear in your Google Drive. You can click on it to play the video directly from Drive, or right-click on it and select Get Link to share it with others. Remember that Google Drive offers different sharing settings, so you can choose who can view or edit your video by adjusting these settings before sharing the link. If your video is large, keep in mind that upload times can vary depending on your internet connection speed. It's also useful to organize your videos by moving them into specific folders within Drive, which you can do by dragging and dropping. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.